In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to Google Maps. Sharing clear, accurate photos helps people decide where to go and what to expect, and it only takes a minute from your phone. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app so you see the latest layout. Also, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to post from because your photos will be attached to that account publicly. Next, find the place you want to contribute to. You can type the name or address into the search bar at the top, or simply explore the map and tap directly on the location. Try to pick the exact official place, like the specific cafe, park, or landmark, so your photo appears on the right page and helps the right audience. When the place's info card appears at the bottom of the screen, drag it up to expand it. Scroll down until you see the photo section and tap it. Depending on your device, this might look like a tab labeled Photos or a grid of images under a photo's header. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's usually just a bit further down. Now, tap Add a Photo. You might need to scroll within the Photos section to find this button. The first time you do this, your phone may ask for permission to access your photos or camera. Go ahead and allow access so you can upload. Choose how you want to add your image. You can select existing photos from your gallery or switch to the camera to take a new on-the-spot picture. Before you post, take a quick moment to make sure the photo is sharp, well-lit, and actually represents the place. Avoid blurry shots, steep angles that hide details, or anything that could mislead viewers. Be mindful of privacy. Try not to include people's faces, license plates, or personal information. When you're happy with your selection, tap Post. That's all it takes. Your photo will be uploaded to the Places page and may take a little time to appear, as Google often reviews new contributions. Remember, what you share is public, so keep it helpful, relevant, and respectful. If you change your mind later, you can revisit your contributions in Google Maps to manage what you've added. Quick recap before we wrap up. Open Google Maps on your phone, search for or tap the place, open the Photos section, hit Add a Photo, choose your image or take a new one, and tap Post. With a few thoughtful photos, you'll make maps better for everyone. Thanks for watching and happy contributing.